Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just eating some spicy noodles that I had purchased off Amazon, the real hot ones that are so good and supposed to be so spicy. Sausages. So I'm just gonna taste it and see what it's about. You know, I've seen so many people buying them. I'm just like, let me see what the hot is about because I like spicy. So that's what I did. I bought a pack and it came with like the 2 sauces in there. This vegetable mix and the soup base mix. Now, they look hot. I'm sure again they look hot. But I'm gonna just taste it. Let me get right into it. Let's taste these noodles, baby. Super hot. Woo! I'm glad I didn't get the extra spicy ones. Oh man, these are spicy. Spicy, but good. So I'm gonna eat a little bit more for y'all. These are hot, spicy, real spicy. So, I'm take another little swig. Spicy. Spicy is the word, spicy chicken noodle. But I'm sorry. I was being rude. Y'all want some? Take some, come on. Super good. Good. These are not for kids at all. I need some more water. I made this sausage to cool my mouth down because these are hot. And these are this is like turkey sausage. But anyway, my mouth still on fire from it. Anyway, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification so you'll know every time I post a video. And I hope you like my video. If you do, give me a thumbs up. It don't hurt to like it. Please subscribe. And I better get some more water.